Alrighty guys, I don't forget what year, but it don't matter. This is a friend of mine's car. He having a problem, or he complaining about his window. Let me see, let me duplicate it for y'all. The window goes up, stutters. Alright, I got the right here, driver's one. Let me hit it down. It should go down automatically, right? Hard down. You see that? It just stops. You see that? Just stops on its own. Even in the up, watch me let it up and hold it up. I see that, it just stops. Yeah, it's not supposed to do that. Now, here's the deal. Obviously that's a problem. It wouldn't be a problem with me. There's a lot of things I can live with. Now, before you go yell out switch, oh it needs a switch. No, this is new. Cousin Pookie already told him he needed a switch, he got it replaced. Still doing the same thing. Now, we got some codes in the door module. Guys, this is one of those year model. Again, I forgot the year, but some year models, they all have door modules. We got some codes in there that was relating to the door module. Guess what? He tried that. All right, so same thing, guys. So it's not the door module, even based off those codes. Normally, I'll tell y'all to go to the module, look and see if there's any codes and base your diagnosis around that code. Well, they did that, swapped out the door module. I hope they gave him his money back because that door module didn't fix it. Now, JT got a crack at it. All right, and guess what? I don't feel like looking at the diagnostic tree. Now, I don't advocate this. If you're in a shop and you're dealing with a customer car, I suggest you go by the diagnostics. What I'm gonna do, because ain't much left. Remember, you got a window motor and a regulator. The window motor is attached to the regulator. The regulator gonna only do what the window motor command it to do. Now the window motor gets this command from the switch and the module. What if I get a straight command from this window switch to go all the way down non-stop and it's just not doing it? Then you can start looking at things like that window motor. Yeah, that shouldn't be stopping. So let's get this door panel tore apart. All right. Alrighty, guys. I got the door panel off now. Let me verify this again. Remember, let's go up. I'm holding it up, and the damn thing just stopping. So here's my window motor. What I'm about to do is take this window motor off. I need to look at the prongs and see if I have a. I don't feel like diagnosing, guys. I don't feel like doing long as diagnosis. I know, like I said earlier, don't get in the habit of this, because I know I got a window motor, but I don't know if it'll work on this. So y'all hold tight. All right, so come on out of here. Ooh, the regulator didn't come apart. Now y'all see what I got here? This is the window motor now, and I got the switch. So we separated from the regulator. Let's see what happens. Ooh, look. It's stopping on its own, guys. So the window, it has nothing to do with internal. The regulator is doing what's commanded by the window motor, and the window motor is doing what's commanded by the switch. Now, so we may have a problem unless the door module, see, they already replaced this. It didn't fix the problem unless the door module commanding it to stop. But why would it stutter stop like this? See, it's doing that on its own. Guys, you know what? I think I got a window motor with a prong with these. Let me see some. Yeah, 6 prong maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, hold tight. Let's go to my trusted. Let's go to my cheat cabinet. Maybe. Yeah, PCMs and Tippums. Throttle bodies. Oh, so. Look what do we have here. All right. I don't feel like all that crazy. What we're gonna do is plug this in and see. All right, it's plugged in. Now, let's see if it stutter stops. Look at that. It's still running. It's not stutter stopping, guys. We need a window motor. Go down. See, down is not automatic, but it's if I hold it, no, up is not automatic, but if I hold it in the up position, it's gonna go until I let the switch go. The other motor wasn't doing that. It was stutter stop. If I hold this, see, there's no stopping point, and I don't want to See? Yes, we need a freaking window motor. There has to be a better way to diagnose this stuff without trying this. And there is a better way, guys. It's time consuming. Man, we living in an age or a world where everything is fast paced. All right, so now if this will fit, I'll just sell them this one because this one new. I didn't need this for some reason. I don't remember why. Yeah. Oh, it won't fit. Yeah, it won't even fit in here. So this is not going to work on this vehicle. It's not for this vehicle. However, the circuitry obviously the same. Guys, we need a window motor. Let me go tell my buddy. JT pulled it through. JT came through. I don't know what the hell. What makes this thing just run and stop? Let me verify this one more time. I need assurance that I'm on the right track. So I'm gonna plug this back in. Turn this around. Grab the switch. See, that stops. Down is automatic. That just stops. This window motor bad. Now, why don't this thing set a code if it's monitored by the door module? I don't know. There's 3 codes in here, but none of them. I don't know. Maybe you got to dissect those codes the way you're supposed to and stop doing everything fast. All right, but I got a quicker way to diagnose. I can cut an hour diag time into 5 minutes just because I kept an extra spare window motor. That's the name of the game, guys. Speed, but long as you get it right. All right, nothing wrong with speed, but please get it right. You don't want to destroy your image by misdiagnosing cars. All right, let me go tell my man he need a window motor. Y'all hold tight. And ta-da! Mopar, baby. Yeah, we don't use Durham window motors over here. We use nothing but the best. What do we have here? Yeah, that didn't take long. He like, all right, get it, fix it, get it, fix it. Oh, they got this thing so wrapped up. Man. All right, so here's the real deal right here. Yes, it looks like the old one. Where's my old one? This is my spare test one. I'm keeping that forever. All right, so what I'm gonna do is simple. Before I bolt everything down, plug this in and give it one more verification test. And here, turn this over. Here we go. Look at that. Still running. I fixed it. I love it. All right, guys. Let me get this thing put on, and I'm gonna wrap this video up. I just wanted y'all to see what your boy was up to today. I'm always facing a new challenge every day. Hopefully, I have a way to face these challenges without it costing me a lot of time. Guys, time is money, okay? Please remember that. All right, because the last thing you want to do is waste your time as well as your customers' time. Cars are becoming more and more harder to freaking figure out and diagnose because of all these damn modules they have in place. Okay, so the way you can combat that is to be efficient when your time. All right, I got it on. Be efficient with your time. All right, now let's plug this baby up. Before I put this door panel on, y'all know I gotta verify that the damn thing fixed. All right, we're going up. I'm gonna hold it up. Uh-oh, gotta turn the key on. Woo, you scared me. Here we go. Look at that, no stutter. What's my name? Now I'm gonna go down, watch it in the automatic mode. Look at that. What's my name? What's my name? Better yet, what's my initials? All right, I'm done. All I gotta do now is put the door panel on. I fixed it, guys. I'm the mother. Boy, don't get, boy, y'all don't know how Cousin Pookie sucks. He said he needed this, and he said he needed this, and JT, due to a little cheap part, let's go put this back where it belongs. It says save the day right there. Look at that. Stay, baby. Thank you, old great part for saving JT, the car guy. Huh? Fixed? Yeah. All right, y'all. Like I say, I'm gonna get let me get this thing put together. That's all I have. I just wanted y'all to see again what your boy is up to, and y'all keep that in mind. Don't get bit by a window motor or window problem. I don't think it matters what kind of car this is, but just in case, it's a 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I don't think that part matters because it can happen. Window motor, the circuitry inside of this This is actually a motor, guys, not an engine. That thing under your hood is an engine. This is an electrical motor. Requires 12 volts in the ground to operate. So y'all keep that in mind. Something inside of these armature. Y'all know how a motor work, right? I don't. Well, I know how it works. I just don't know how to explain it. So guess what? I won't try. With me being in the auto repair industry, meaning we just simply replace parts that's causing something to not be working. In other words, we fix broken cars. We don't analyze what happened inside of this. Some of you guys are sharp as hell. Y'all know what's going on. Some of you guys will take this out, the motor section, and go in there and analyze it. Y'all would get in the comment section and suggest I just solder joint those two burnt connectors back together. No, in a shop we don't work like that. We're too fast paced. My job is to simply put a new one on so it'll work and get it back out. That's what I did here, and I'm proud of myself. I got it right. Okay, but could we have, this is my personal car. I'm gonna tell you this, I wouldn't even do that. I would live with it. This is my personal car because I don't care about the amenities, the many added amenities that cars are putting on cars today. Wipers come on and off every 10 seconds. I don't care about none of that. I'm old school. Just if it works, if the window will go up when I hit the switch, I don't care if it stutters, then yeah, I'm cool with that. I'm a simple guy. But today's environment that we live in, everybody want everything to work the way it was supposed to work. And I get it, I understand. That's why I'm in the repair industry, to make sure I get it back working again. I gotta go, guys. Let me get this door panel on. This was easy to come off too. Thanks for watching. You sound like trouble. I can't run. Oh, look at it, going all the way up. Now watch this, when I hit auto down, look at that. Yeah, baby. All right, I gotta go.